Welcome back to another lecture on type 2 questions in ages concept. Let's have a glance at the standard format or steps to solve these problems again. Firstly, divide the question into parts. Then assume the present age as x. As the current age is x, m years ago or m years back will be x minus m. M years after or m years hence will be x plus m. M times of x will be mx and 1 by m times of x will be x by m. Finally, we need to derive an equation from each divided part of the question to find the solution. 18 years ago, a father was 3 times as old as his son. Now the father is only twice as old as his son. Then sum of present ages of son and father is. Here, the relationship data between a father and son is given 18 years ago, and also the present relationship data is also given. Based on this, we need to find the sum of present ages of son and father. So let's solve this problem. Our first step is to divide the question into parts. Here, let's drop the second statement in the first column, as the second statement indicates the present age relationship between a father and a son. Let's say the present age of son is equal to x. If son's present age is x, then father is twice as old as son, so father's age will be 2x. 18 years ago, father was 3 times as old as his son. So father is 3 times of son 18 years ago. So f minus 18 is equal to 3 into s minus 18. Because if it is ago, you need to subtract, and what you have to subtract is 18. Therefore, 2x minus 18 is equal to 3 into x minus 18. We will be getting, on simplification, x is equal to 36. And in the final column, let's drop the last statement. So the question is, sum of present ages of son and father is. We need to find the sum of son and father's age. So x plus 2x is equal to 36 plus 72, and you will be getting 108. This is the sum of ages of son and father. That's it. Let's solve another problem. Rajan got married 8 years ago. His present age is 6 by 5 times his age at time of marriage. Rajan's sister was 10 times younger to him at time of marriage. The age of Rajan's sister is. Here we need to find the age of Rajan as well as age of Rajan's sister. So let's solve this problem. Let's understand the age of Rajan at present and also at marriage. Let's assume Rajan's present age as x. His age at time of marriage is x minus 8. As Rajan got married 8 years ago to his present age. Rajan's present age is 6 by 5 times his age at time of marriage. On cross multiplication, you will be getting 5x is equal to 6x minus 48. So x is equal to 48 on simplification. If present age of Rajan is 48, then what will be his age 8 years ago, that is at time of marriage? It is 40. Now what is Rajan's sister's age? From the third statement, Rajan's sister was 10 times younger to him at time of marriage. What is Rajan's age at time of his marriage? 40. Let's assume Rajan's sister's age as y. As Rajan's sister is 10 times younger to him at time of his marriage, her age will be 40 minus 10, that is 30. And that is not the end. This age was 8 years ago, and her present age will be 30 plus 8, that is 38. That's it. This is Rajan's sister's age at present. The total age of A and B is 12 years more than the total age of B and C. C is how many years younger than A? To solve this, let's drop the first statement in the first column. It states that the total age of A and B is 12 years more than the total age of B and C. Here, total means you have to add. So A plus B is equal to 12 plus B plus C. That is what it suggests. A plus B is equal to 12 plus B plus C. Therefore, A plus B minus C is equal to 12. A minus C is equal to 12. C is how many years younger than A? As A minus C is equal to 12, A is equal to 12 plus C. This means that A is 12 years elder than C. So C is obviously 12 years younger than A. I'll meet you with the type 3 questions.